Lily, this is so boring. I don't want to sit here doing nothing.
Me too. This toy is not fun anymore. Then let's play something else. What should we play? Maybe hide and seek? No, Mom said not to run inside the house. Okay. Then maybe we can build a pillow house. If we take the pillows, Mom will say we made a mess again. What about catch? Here? In the living room? It is a soft ball. We will throw it slowly. Are you sure? There are things on the table. Relax, Lily. We are not going to throw it hard. Okay. But if Mom asks, you will say it was your idea. Fine. But nothing bad will happen. Throw it to me. See? I caught it.
Good, now throw it back, but aim at my hands. Nice, you are getting better. Again. This time I will throw it perfectly. Okay, but slowly. Don't throw it too high.
I know. I can do it. Oh no.
Lily.
I didn't mean to. I was throwing it to you. Don't touch it. There are broken pieces. Mom will be so angry. Maybe it is not fully broken. Wait, let me see. Nora, put it down. What if Mom comes? If Mom comes, we will tell her the truth. No, please. She loves that music box. Lily, it was an accident. But it was my accident. I know, but you didn't do it on purpose. Maybe we can fix this part before she sees it. Can you fix it? I don't know, but I can try.
Nora, what happened here?
Mom, wait. Please listen first.
My music box.
Mom, it fell by mistake.
You were playing with a ball in the living room?
Yes, but we were playing slowly. It was an accident.
An accident? My music box is broken, Nora.
Lily, tell Mom what happened.
Nora, why are you asking Lily to speak for you?
Because Lily knows what happened.
I can see what happened. The music box is broken, and it is in your hands.
Because I picked it up after it fell. We were just playing catch. We were playing slowly.
This was very special to me, Nora.
I know, Mom. That is why I was trying to help.
What happened here?
My music box fell and broke.
Nora?
Dad, I did not break it.
Nora, every time something goes wrong, you say it was not you.
Mom, this time it was not me.
You were playing with a ball in the living room?
Yes, Dad, but
Nora, this is not a playground.
Dad, listen to me.
Your mother is already upset. Do not argue right now.
Lily, you know I was helping.
Nora, go to your room.
I only picked it up because I wanted to help. Mom saw the music box in my hands and thought I broke it. Maybe because I make mistakes sometimes. They think this was my fault too.
But this time, I really did not do it.
And Lily knew. She knew I was only trying to help her. I am not hurt because Dad sent me to my room. I am hurt because Mom and Dad decided I was wrong before listening. I wish Mom and Dad listened to me first, before deciding I was wrong.
Lily, come here for a moment. Yes, Mom? Why do you look so scared?
I am not scared. I just feel bad.
You and Nora were playing with this ball, right?
Yes, we were playing catch.
This music box was very special to me.
Can it be fixed?
Maybe. We will have to take it to someone.
Are you worried about Nora?
She is alone in her room.
She needs time to think about what happened.
Go wash your face, sweetheart.
Okay, Mom. Nora, can I come in? You are already here.
I heard what you said.
I was scared.
I was scared too, Lily. But I still tried to help you.
I did not know what to say when Mom asked.
You knew what happened. You knew the ball hit the music box because of you.
I didn't mean to break it.
I know. That is why I told Mom it was an accident.
Mom was so sad. I thought she would be angry with me.
So you let her be angry with me instead?
I am sorry, Nora.
Sorry is not enough if you still hide the truth.
I don't want you to be punished because of me. Then don't let me stand alone.
Mom and Dad already think I make mistakes. When you stayed quiet, they believed it even more.
I will tell them.
Now?
Yes, I should have told them before. Then go. Tell the truth. Will you come with me? No. This time, you should speak. Okay. Mom. Dad. I need to tell you something. What happened, Lily? Why are you crying again?
Come here. Tell us slowly.
Nora did not break the music box.
Then what happened?
I threw the ball. I was trying to throw it to Nora, but my hand slipped.
The ball hit the music box?
Yes! It hit the music box because of me.
Lily?
Nora did not do it. She only picked it up because she wanted to fix it.
So Nora was telling the truth.
Yes, she was telling the truth, but I stayed quiet.
Why did you not tell us when it happened?
I was scared you would be angry with me.
Lily, hiding the truth made Nora get punished. I know. I heard her crying in her room.
We should have listened to her.
We blamed her too fast.
I am sorry, Mom.
Thank you for telling the truth now.
Now we need to talk to Nora.
Yes. I want to say sorry to her too.
Nora. Can we come in? Did Lily tell you? Yes. She told us the truth.
So now you know I did not break it.
Yes, Nora. Now we know.
I told you before.
I know. And I should have listened to you.
You saw it in my hands and decided it was my fault.
You are right. I was hurt, and I blamed you too fast.
I also should have asked you properly before sending you to your room.
You both thought it was me, because I make mistakes sometimes. That was not fair to you. This time, I was only trying to help. I understand that now.
Nora, I am sorry. I was scared, but I should have told the truth. You let me stand alone. I know. I was wrong. You knew I was helping you. Yes, I knew. That hurt more than going to my room.
We all hurt you today.
And we are sorry.
Next time, please listen before you decide. We will.
And I will tell the truth, even if I am scared. I am not ready to smile yet.
We will try to fix the music box.
And the trust?
We will fix that too.
Can I help? Only if you do not hide the truth again. I promise.
We can take this music box to a repair shop tomorrow.
Maybe it can play music again.
Will it be okay?
We will try our best.
The music box can be fixed. But today, something else broke too.
You are right, Nora. I should have listened to you.
Next time, please let me finish talking first.
I promise.
And I will listen before I punish anyone.
I will not stay quiet when I know the truth.
That is what sisters should do.
Will you forgive me?
Not fully yet. But I am glad you told the truth.
And what about this ball?
No ball in the living room. Never again.
Good rule. Tomorrow, we repair the music box.
And we repair trust too.
The music box broke by accident. But we made it worse when we did not listen.
Nora, from now on, no one gets punished before we hear the full truth.
Nora. What? I will not let you stand alone again. You were scared today. Yes. But next time, I will tell the truth. Can I sit closer? Okay.
Tomorrow, we will take this for repair.
And tonight, we start repairing trust.
Together?
Together.
Together.
If you liked our story, please subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to like this video.
What did you think about this story?
Please tell us in the comments.
See you in the next story. Bye.